Hi plant lovers, this video is about indoor plants. In this video, we will share with you two very beautiful indoor plants decoration ideas, and also will share with you the best indoor plants list, and also can get useful information to choose right plant for your house. We also will share with you care advice for them. Some scientists have suggested that choosing the right air purifying plants for your home can help detoxify the air in your living spaces, meaning your houseplant not only look lovely but work a little harder to clean the air you breathe in. NASA's Clean Air Study found that there are a number of air purifying plants that can detoxify your home from the airborne toxins, dust, and germs that can be found in a variety of household products, materials, and furniture. A follow-up study confirmed that to make a substantial difference to the air quality inside your home, you would need a large number of houseplants working together to clean the air. But with houseplants becoming an interior design trend that looks like it's here to stay, we might as well choose one that will go some of the ways to improve the air we breathe, if not all of it, to give your home a healthy breath of fresh air. Here's a list of the best air purifying plants, and in the list, according to our choice, first it's snake plant. With this plant in your bedroom, you are in for a great night's sleep. This yellow-tipped succulent releases oxygen at night, helping you to breathe better while sleeping. It is one of the best plants for filtering the air of formaldehyde, xylene, benzene, and trichloroethylene. Care advice for this plant: be mindful not to overwater, as the roots are prone to rot in moist soil. So at second number, we have spider plant. For those of you who are houseplant newbies, the resilient spider plant is a perfect choice. It will quietly battle toxins including carbon monoxide and xylene. If you have pets, this is one of the few houseplants that are non-toxic to animals. Care advice: you can also repot the tiny spiderets and grow a whole family of plants that will pretty much take care of themselves and you too. In our list, at the third place, it is aloe vera. A healing aloe plant is a lovely addition to your kitchen windowsill, as it loves a sunny spot. Care advice: this plant will thrive in a sunny location. At number 4, it is rubber plants. This hardy low-maintenance houseplant is one of the most popular thanks to its striking look. A natural humidifier. A previous study found that it had been recommended by NASA as one of the best for cleansing the air. Care advice for this plant: easy to care for, plant can grow well on low level of light. It's worth knowing that it's toxic to dogs and cats, so be extra careful if you have one close to your pets. At number 5, we have bamboo palm. perfect for low light conditions. The bamboo palm makes a perfect focal point in any living area. Its graceful, arching leaves make great all around their cleanness, specifically formed for removing formaldehyde from the air. Care advice: water regularly through the growing season, but it's advised you let the surface of the soil dry out slightly before rewatering. At number 6, we have broad lady palm. This is one of the few plants that can help reduce level of ammonia that can be found in a range of cleaning products. They are expensive to buy fully grown, so you might want to shop around for a smaller one or start from seed. Care advice: this plant will be very happy in your bathroom. At number 7, we have peace lilies. In 1980s, NASA and the Associated Landscape Contractors of America discovered that peace lilies were one of the top 3 plants for removing common household toxins, even ammonia. Plant care: keep soil slightly moist. Peace lilies thrive in most lighting conditions, but too little light can prevent flowers from blooming. Toxic animals and humans. Despite its calming name, this beautiful plant is toxic to cats, dogs, and children. So, at the end of the video, thanks for watching and have a nice day. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.